This is Professor L.B. Gaikwad's English Literature Web YouTube channel. I am Professor L.B. Gaikwad is discussing today on the topic Group Dynamics. This is my lecture 305 and part 4th. In the part 3rd, we saw that the group members should understand each other to discuss on the problem because they have to bring a solution out of that discussion. They must go with a positive dynamic and a trust in each other because they have to discuss together to bring out a collective decision that is called the solution. For example, daughters are more active than sons. Why? They must come to the conclusion that the sons and daughters shouldn't have any complaint about their solution, which they have given through their unanimous decision. It is nothing but their welfaring decision to the society. While making the group discussion with each other, they should hold themselves accountable, that is, responsible to each other to make discussion positively beneficial. Researchers have observed that the positive dynamics of the team increase the creativity of the members twice beneficial, that is, double in beneficial to others, and they can find out the convenient solution for everyone. And the poor dynamics, that is called people's behavior disrupt, that is, create problem in the purpose of the group, and as a result the group may not come to the decision that is the solution, or they make the wrong choice of the decision because they don't reach the effective discussion, that is the successive turns and turns. It means that again and again they cannot become successful. Now, the poor group dynamics means here we are studying now about the poor group dynamics. It is because of the following issues by the team members. The first is weaker leadership, means many times we can find the weaker leadership in the group discussion, and that's why the problem arises. Weaker leadership, this is the point, and when this point is there or weaker leadership is there, the bad is this on the part of the group discussion, and we will see now what is the effect of the weaker leadership. If the team has no strong leader, the leaders are changed again and again. It means often and often. Thus, they fail the purpose by focusing upon the wrong decision. The second is limitless deference, that is the respect to authority. This means the very much importance to the leader of the group. Because of this extra significance, the team members give agreement always to the leader. This activity brings the tension and impression of the leader, and so the members cannot express their opinions freely. Now the third point is blocking, that is seizing the group discussion. This blocking is done in the group as follows. The first is, if the member is aggressive, he disagrees with other members and limitless outspoken. It means that this member is very much speaking member and he is always in disagreement with the members. Second is, if the member is negative, it means the member is critical of others' ideas and he cannot justify others' opinions properly due to his negativity. That is the point. Now the third point is, if the member withdraws from the discussion, means he does not become agree to take part in the discussion, he doesn't accept the participation, that is the point, in a discussion. Then the fourth point is, if the group member likes to seek recognition, he wants that others should value him, so he is boastful, shows himself different from other members to dominate the total session. And the fifth point is, if the member is a joker at inappropriate times, all these things are the barriers or the problems in the group discussion. It means that these dynamics are there in the group discussion, and if such negative dynamics are there, then the group discussion doesn't go ahead. All the offenses and crimes of the group members do block the group discussion definitely. Now the next point, that is the sixth point, is, if the situation of group think arises, then it becomes, or it means, when people are over ambitious, means there are some people, some members, they are very ambitious, over ambitious for the right decision. It means they want that the decision should be taken only right, or solution must come in the right decision. They expect above their desires that the decision should be this or that, means that decision should be only according to their minds, and that's why this also becomes very much negative to the development of the group discussion. The people cannot get here the alternative solution. And what is the loss of the people? Because they do not get the alternative solution, it means that they do not get the innovative, I will say, the solution, because they want that we want this or that, means they are insisting on the decision which they want to accept. And the seventh point is, if the situation of free riding comes into the group, it means some group members take decision easy and leave their members to do all the work. These free riders, that is the members, may work hard themselves, but they limit themselves from their such great works or contribution in the group. This is known as social loafing. It means that here the members only pass their time aimlessly, means they are very lazy persons, and that's why this happens. Now the last and eighth point is, the team members perception relates or creates a negative group dynamic. When some members feel that other members are judging them excessively and harshly, the evaluation apprehension happens there, and the members stop their opinions from the final decision or the solution. It means that there is the fear of some bad will happen in the mind of the members, and that's why this happens. So these are the negative dynamics which should not be there while making the group discussion. So today we have seen the topic. Again we will see the new topic and we will be in front of each other. Till then, thank you very much.